Find the probability of the surgery being successful on no patients. So no patients means that x is equal to 0. So the formula will look like this, and it's equal to 0.001. So this is a very small probability. Now, this question is dealing with 3 patients. So we've actually calculated all of the scenarios. So 0 successes, 1 success, 2 successes, and 3 successes. So when we add up all of the probabilities, we get 1, which is what should happen. Let's look at number 7. Find the probability of the surgery being successful on at least 1 patient. So at least 1 means x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. So we need to take the probability of 1 plus the probability of 2 plus the probability of 3. And we've already found those probabilities, so we just need to add them up. And it's equal to 0.999.